version of AI is coming down the road.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads.
AI is going to change the world more than anything in the history of mankind.
Let's have a look at the evolution of life-changing technology. Artificial intelligence is shaping the future of humanity across nearly every industry. AI algorithms have the potential to learn much more quickly in a digital world. Billions of dollars have been invested in this sector. If we compare our present to the past 50 years back, we can see an enormous change in the world. AI has changed our scenario. It is used in every field, including technology, medicine, healthcare, automobile, manufacturing, defense, and military. The dependency on AI is increasing every now and then. The future of artificial intelligence is about building a strong AI. Right now, AI can beat humans in some specific tasks only, but in the future, it is expected of AI to beat a human in all cognitive tasks. Its consequences would be positive as well as negative. We are stepping into the future of AI, where humans and AI will be correlated.